Am I leaving YouTube? This is something that comes into my brain often. I think to myself, is it worth it? What am I doing this for? If you're a creator, what are you doing this for? What's the point? Here I am, what people would call a small YouTuber. I don't think of myself as a small YouTuber. I just think of myself as someone that makes videos and posts them on YouTube. Big, small, large, little. These are all adjectives that we use to identify ourselves and put us into a box, a category, a constraint. And I don't like to do that because I think of myself as limitless, as endless, with the potential to do and be anything that I decide. Now, that doesn't mean it's not going to come with a lot of work. It's not going to be easy. It might even be downright hard every once in a while. But if it's something that I want to do, something that brings me happiness, something that gives me a reason to wake up, to look forward to, making videos for you guys, then heck no, I'm not leaving YouTube. But things are a little different in my life at the moment. When I first started on this journey, things were going great all over the place, and I was just looking at making things even a little extra great in my life. Let me add this awesome, super cool hobby, tech reviews, tech channel. I was just so excited about it. But things happen outside of my studio. This box, right? I can't be constrained within this box. There are other things going on in my life, other forces that are pulling me away, other opportunities. They're saying, Aaron, we need you here. Aaron, come over here. There's great opportunities, wonderful ways to grow and improve your life. So I think to myself, do I look at my channel and I say, I gotta put you on hold just for a minute? Or do I look at these phenomenal opportunities and I say, I'm gonna put you on hold just for a minute. I'm just about to hit 10,000 subscribers and I wanna hit that first. So I'm stuck. You know, I've set this goal for myself for this year. I don't know if I'm gonna hit it because my energy, my attention, my motivation has been taken away from you guys. And I'm sorry about that. That was never my intention. But this wonderful, phenomenal experience is in my lap, and I don't know how it's going to affect my relationship with you. I don't know if we're still going to be able to hang out as frequently as I want to every single week. But what I do know is I'm not going nowhere. I'm not. My content has slowed down because it's had to. Other things going on that there's just not enough time in the day. Plus, gotta take care of myself and my health. You might not have noticed, but I've put on a few pounds since doing the YouTube show. I really have. So I want to get back and working out more, and I'm going to the gym with the trainer twice a week now, so that's making me feel really good. But I gotta take care of myself, my mental health, my physical, emotional, spiritual, all that stuff. It's gotta be taken care of. That way, there's enough of me to go around for everyone. But if there's a reason why you're questioning, how come Aaron's not putting out as many videos? How come he's not doing a video on that hot topic? Or you're thinking, hey, I really wish I would know what For the Love of Tech thinks about this. And if you're not seeing the video, I need you to know. It's not because I don't care. It's because I got to go do this other thing for a little bit. It doesn't mean I'm going to disappear forever. It doesn't mean I'm going anywhere or I'm not coming back. So essentially all I'm saying is I'm going to take a little bit of a break. I'm still going to produce videos. I'm going to make content, changing some things up. I might even come back after that project is finished, which I think I need about a good solid 60 days of my full attention to give it a good foundation. But I think when I come back, I might do something a little different. I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing unboxings, if I'm gonna keep doing reviews, if I'm gonna keep taking products from different brands, I don't know if that's what my fate is here on YouTube with you guys. I know that I've learned so much. I love making videos, and I want to keep making videos. I just don't know if they're gonna be these kind of videos or something else. I don't know. What would you like to see? You've been watching me for a while. You've checked out my channel. You've checked out what I can do. You've seen me grow from the tree of life to all sorts of craziness. Tell me, what do you think I would be good at? What you've seen other people do, compare me to them. Or maybe there's something out there that you haven't seen that you would like to see. Whatever it is, go down to the description. Let me know what you think. Don't give me a thumbs up. Don't give me a thumbs down. Don't subscribe to my channel. Whatever you do, just leave me a comment. Have a discussion, have a conversation. Be part of my life. For the love of tech, thanks for watching. Namaste.